Okay, I lied. This is not my first time, but second time solving my Rubik's Cube. So hopefully you'll forgive me. Anyways, this is the country I'm from. Let's begin. Well, first, let me just shuffle it quickly. Just see the time I'm using. So yeah, it's pretty much done. So I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube now. It's gonna take a while because it's my second time solving it. Sorry for the clickbait though. Anyways, let's just begin. So done. So now I have to just solve this part of it, this one. So let me just do it quickly. Red and orange. Just red and blue. Okay. Blue. Well, for the people who are wondering, I'm using the beginner step. I don't know what you call this. Oh yeah, done. How did this mess? What? Oh, where did I go wrong? Boom, it's done. And also like this, it's done, this part. And now I have to solve this part. So over here you can see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Let me just do it quickly. So yeah, this part is done. You can see this part, it's done. All this part is done. So now we move on to the next step, to completing this cross over here like this. Yeah. But that's pretty easy. So this part is done now. So now I have to do I have to set the corners. So now you can see it's blue over here. It's just orange and red over here. So I have to make this red. And again here it is green but it's red here. So I have to make this part green. So that's pretty easy. Let me do it. So yeah, that part is done now. You can see all the middle parts done. This part is full done completely. So now I have to arrange this in proper order. So none of them are in the proper order, so I can just choose anything I want. Okay. So yeah, so all of them are set. These are not like properly aligned, but you can see here yellow, and then there's blue and there's orange. So here there is yellow, there is blue, there is orange. So that's how we do it. And now it's pretty easy. Let's just complete it. Gonna do this very easy. Let's go. Oh, I need concentration, crazy level of concentration. Okay, wait. Yes, guys, let's do it. If I mess it up over here, boom, it's over. So yeah. Done. Let's go. Let's go finally complete the Rubik's Cube. Took me like 10 minutes. Yeah, took me like 10 minutes to do it. Beginner method. But well, I'm happy that I completed my Rubik's Cube for the second time ever. Again, I'm sorry for clickbait, but yeah, completed. Thanks for watching.